Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Check the Nexon infotainment firmware and your iPhone iOS because compatibility removes most hiccups. Once done, use an Apple-certified Lightning cable and plug it into the car's USB port. Make sure you unlock the phone. You should get a prompt on the iPhone asking to allow CarPlay. Accept it. If Bluetooth is on, turn it off when using USB, because wired CarPlay prefers a clean USB handshake for power and data transfer. Next, enable CarPlay inside the Nexon system. Go to Settings, then Connectivity or Phone, and switch CarPlay on because the head unit must accept the phone. On your iPhone, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay and pick the Nexon entry, which links icons and controls. Make sure Siri is enabled and CarPlay is allowed while locked, as voice and auto launch need those permissions. If an app does not appear, check the app's CarPlay permission and restart the connection to refresh the. Finally, verify the connection by launching Maps, phone, and a music app. Make sure audio routes through the car and steering controls work. If CarPlay doesn't appear, unplug and restart the iPhone and the Nexon unit and retry with a known good cable. Bad cables cause most failures. If problems persist, update the infotainment firmware or reset CarPlay settings on the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: try another Lightning cable first, because it resolves roughly half of connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.